Alrighty, so the plan for today had been to get these new projects going. It's a pair of lister generators that I'll bring you a video on soon, but been changed the plan. Need to build a horse shelter. I want to build two portable ones to put out in the field. The weather has gotten atrocious here, so got all the gear ready. I ordered some steel this morning, but it's in 25-foot lengths for 7.5 meters, so I need to grab a truck off my neighbour and go collect them. Okay, so I already had some box thrown around. There's a couple of links of it, so I'm going to cut up that first. I've got more of the new box outside. I think about roughly 75 meters of it. 75, got 11 lengths of it anyway. So I'm going to make each stall is going to be 12 feet by 12 feet, or 3.6 by 3.6. Front of the roof is going to be 2.4 meters. Back of the roof, back of the steel through the roof, going to be 2.25. And obviously the crossbars that sit up on top of that and the cladding that sit above that. So, better get cutting. Okay, so got a bunch of steel cut. First sections I'm going to make are the end pieces for each stable. So 12 feet long. They're going to be 2.4 high at the tallest part. I've actually made the other ones then 2.3. I made them slightly lower than I was going to first. So I'm going to tack on this first one, weld on the rear one, intermediate, take a piece then across the top, and that's one made. And what we do then is we'll weld on lugs onto them that will take pieces that join them all together at the end, because I was hoping to make them in two 12-foot sections and bring them straight out to the field and clad them out there, bolt them together, but the laneway there is too narrow, and if I turn them the opposite way in my trailer they're going to be too high for the power lines, so I'm going to have to make them basically going to make 4 side sections and make the rear 2 separate rear panels, then the bolt in after. Okay, that's the last of the welding done. So what I've done with each in section. So I've welded on these box irons, which are slightly bigger than what I've used, and they've got holes drilled in them. So in theory, the whole thing just bolts together now. This is one of the rear pieces. So it's got 2 pieces of steel across the top and a place to carry the roof piece. So for these now, I need to go and make some space to assemble this thing, and we'll transport it back there. Cody, come. Good boy. Okay, so job is largely finished. I just need to put on a small bit of capping on that side, and I was capped the back of it. But temperatures are dropping away here this evening, so I'm gonna release them in here now. See how to do. Never quite got around to finishing this video, but this is more or less finished product. A little bit of capping missing there, and on the other side the generators worked out pretty well. Only problem, alright, we had to make a little bit of a modification. Right, had to add this IBC and tie it on. So this thing, when I put it up, I was in a bit of a hurry. We just got it up, had to get the animals into it, the weather was bad, and all was going well. But I never thought to fix it down. And wind came from the north one side, one night, into the south one side, and basically flipped this entire thing up on its rear. So to show you what happened. So basically it tipped onto this fence ditch at the rear. You can see some of the damage there on the roof where it fell over about 4 o'clock in the morning. So I had to come out here and tie the loader onto it, climb up the front of the loader first, attach a strap and pull it back down. So I've got it weighed down now, but I need to dig out some of the material that's in here and just get it down fully, so the frames are kind of pushed out of position a small bit at the moment. But the good news is every single weld survived. I mean, this thing got quite a pounding, but all held together. So yeah, It's not too bad. So, aside from that, 6610 is in at the moment for a couple of jobs, so I'll bring a video on that soon. Spools are pouring oil, so we need to start those out. We have some electrical issues to fix, lights, a couple of more bits and pieces, so we get working on that. Still have got to get the second lister running, but we get to that. Might even try and do that next weekend, but to take you on and show you something else. Alright, who fancies doing a willet start in this one? Thinking might try and get to this next weekend. See, can we cut it out of there and get it fired up? Let me know what you think below in the comments. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll try and get you another video next week. We'll do that willet start and that David Brown that's been sitting, and I'll give you an update on the cat as well. I'm going to try and get back on that this coming weekend. Is a bank holiday weekend. It's the St. Patrick's Day weekend, so I will try and get out there and get more done. In the meantime, if you're new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of the videos and just drop in and say hello. See you all soon, guys. Have a good day.